Well, hey guys, thanks for checking out this video today. I'm going to show you just a couple common problems that could be going on with your AC unit if it's blowing inside but not cooling. So let's go ahead and dive in.
You can begin with trying to jump start your fan. If this does work, then it might be a bad capacitor, which I'll show you how to fix next. If not, then it might be another problem which we can try and diagnose as well.
Another common problem with your AC unit that's just not cooling is your capacitor might have gone bad. And so what we're going to do is open this up, check it out, and see if our capacitor is bad. But before you do that, make sure that you unplug your AC unit. You can either do that from the wall right here. You can turn it off inside at the breaker. Just make sure it has no power because you don't want any electricity coming to this unit while you're trying to work on it. Well, guys, here is the capacitor right here. This is one of the most common problems when a AC unit is not working or blowing warm air and not cooling off, and so you can replace this capacitor right here. One of the things I do recommend is you take a picture of what this top looks like. You don't want to mess that up. You want to make sure everything goes back in where it should. So take a picture of that before you replace it, and again, this is one of the most common issues with this type of unit. Well, you can go ahead and plug this capacitor back in and turn your unit back on the wall right here and see if that worked.
Another common problem is your furnace is drained into your drip pan because the fan wasn't running and flooded the unit, which causes it to turn off. You can drain this out with a shop vac and see if your unit will come back on again, and that could fix your problem. If this continues to happen, I have another video that shows you what other specific problems you might be having in this area, and you can check that video out here.
One thing that could be causing all these problems is maybe just a dirty vent right here. One thing you can do is you can open this up. You can take all these screws out, open this up. You can spray water through here and make sure that all of these vents are clean. That could be one of your problems. Just it's not allowing air to get in here and circulate and blow warm air up top. So that's one thing you could try to do to make sure you can fix your problem and your issue. Well, we got it fixed. It's cooling off the house right now. I hope one of these fixes was able to help you get back going and get your AC cool in your house as well. And if it was, I'd love to know that. You can leave a like or even subscribe to the channel down below. If you have any questions or comments, put those in the description as well. Love to help you out with those. But I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.